Hey, this is Sandy, and I have a 2-for-1 for you today. I am going to make two things. One is a True Love Room Spray, and the other is a First Date Roll-On. So for the True Love Room Spray, I have already put 2 tablespoons of distilled water in my bottle, and I'm going to add 6 drops of Love Essential Oil, which has ylang ylang, orange, bergamot, and amarice essential oils. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is, I'm using a funnel here too. 14 drops of Citrus Burst essential oil, which has lemon, lime, grapefruit, orange, and bergamot. So those are all citruses. So that is 14 drops. There you go. The next oil I'm going to use is 10 drops of Copaiba. Okay, had to fight with that for a minute. And then I have 6 drops of sage. All right. So now that I have everything in there, I put my little spray top in and give it a good shake. Every time you use this, you're going to want to shake it because, again, it's water and essential oils, and they don't necessarily mix together very well. And let's smell it real quick. Ah, smells nice. Kind of reminds me of, I don't know, it smells like a baby. Yeah, that's a nice smell. So that is the True Love Room Spray. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the First Date Roll-On. Normally, I would make this in a 10 milliliter bottle. I didn't have any 10 milliliter bottles, so I have a 15. I have added fractionated coconut oil, and I am going to add, let's see, 2 drops of Love. Get that little funnel out there again. 2 drops of Love. 2 drops of Citrus Burst, and 2 drops of Copaiba. Let's see if this will work again. Let's see if it's still warm. There we go. First time. And now that those are in, I'm going to add a roller top to it. Now, let me use the cap to put it in there. All right. We'll give it a good shake. Don't forget to label your bottles too. And you would use it on your pulse points to boost your confidence, give you a feeling of confidence. And that's nice. That's a really nice blend. So today we have made the True Love Room Spray and the First Date Roll-On. See you next time.